Top 6 Celebrity-Approved Smart Home Gadgets. Live like Hollywood stars. Ever wondered how Hollywood's biggest stars live in such futuristic comfort? Their secret isn't just the dazzling marble or sprawling pools, it's cutting-edge smart tech that transforms their homes into high-tech sanctuaries. If you've ever dreamed of living like a celeb, now's your chance to peek behind the velvet rope and discover the gadgets keeping A-listers connected, stylish, and secure. First up is the Amazon Echo, the ultimate voice assistant that's become as iconic as the stars themselves. Celebrities like Oprah rely on Alexa to handle everything from managing schedules to whipping up gluten-free banana bread. With sleek design and incredible voice recognition, it's more than a speaker, it's your personal assistant, ready to dim the lights or play your favorite playlist with just a command. Moving into the soundtrack of a celebrity's life, Sonos speakers fill the air with crystal-clear sound, whether they're hosting friends or unwinding after a long day. Their minimalist style blends seamlessly into any decor, proving that good sound doesn't have to scream to be noticed. For top-notch security with a splash of convenience, the August Smart Lock is a star favorite. Imagine unlocking your door remotely, granting temporary access to guests or service providers, all without fumbling for keys. Even stars like Ashton Kutcher can enjoy high-tech security that's both sleek and smart. Lighting sets the mood, and celebrities know this well. Philips Hue smart bulbs let them switch from romantic pinks to disco vibes at the tap of a button or a voice command. Rihanna, for instance, uses Philips Hue to create perfect lighting for everything from a glam night to late-night binge-watching sessions. Why not turn your home into a private nightclub or serene retreat too? No celeb home is complete without a sophisticated command center, and Google Nest fits that bill perfectly. From learning thermostats that adapt to your schedule to cameras keeping watch when they're jet-setting around the world, Nest makes home management effortless. John Legend and Chrissy Teigen love how it merges style with sustainability, a win for eco-conscious stars everywhere. And if you're all about the Apple ecosystem, Apple HomeKit offers an integrated universe where everything, from lighting to locks, is at your fingertips, secured with top-notch encryption. It's ideal for those who take privacy seriously but don't want to sacrifice seamless control. So, why do celebrities obsess over this tech? It's not just about convenience, it's about crafting an experience, making life easier, safer, and way more stylish. These gadgets help stars stay on top of their busy lives while enjoying a home that looks straight out of a magazine. Best part? You don't need a Hollywood budget to get in on the fun. Start small with a smart speaker or smart bulbs, then level up with gadgets like a smart lock or thermostat. Tie everything together with Apple HomeKit or Alexa, and suddenly, you're living the high-tech dream. There it is, a glimpse into how stars turn their homes into futuristic retreats. Whether hosting friends or relaxing solo, a bit of smart tech can make your home feel like a scene from a blockbuster. Who's ready to live the Hollywood life, one gadget at a time?